Hi, my name is Megan. I am the Emsuite coordinator here at InterveneMD, and today we're going to be talking about Emface. Emface is the first device of its kind that simultaneously combines lifting of the facial muscles and then tightening of the skin. It's also the only non-injectable option for restoring facial volume. Emface combines a couple different technologies. So radiofrequency is a heated part of that modality, and what that does is that restores the collagen and elastin that we lose in our skin over time. The electrical stimulation that we get from Emface causes the muscles, the superficial muscles of our skin to contract, and that kind of gives us a lifting effect of those muscles. So Emface is definitely a more natural treatment option if you're looking for something that doesn't require the injectables like your Botox and fillers and things like that. Emface is going to give a more natural appearance because what it's doing is it's just kind of increasing the resting tone of those muscles, so it's lifting in the right places, and then it's smoothing out the skin texture and tone. So if you're interested in learning more about Emface, please give our office a call or check us out online to book a consultation.